Welcome to beautiful Güzelçamlı, in the heart of Kuşadası. Today, we're going into nature to discover one of its hidden treasures, olive leaves. These ancient olive trees have been growing here for centuries. Their leaves are more than just beautiful. They're packed with healing properties. I'm picking some fresh olive leaves by hand. Always choose leaves that are clean, vibrant, and pesticide-free for the best results. This tea is a powerful immune booster, rich in antioxidants. It helps fight inflammation, lower blood pressure, and gives you natural. You can also use olive leaf water as a hair rinse. It strengthens roots, reduces dandruff, and adds natural shine. Nature has everything we need. Sometimes, it's as simple as picking a leaf. From Kuşadası with love, I hope this inspires your journey to natural wellness.
DIY thing, so I'm going to take some of it and maybe I'll show it to you guys how I'm going to prepare it. Okay, actually I have a little bit idea, not too much, about how to use it, but I would definitely going to talk to chat GPT to see, come back here princess, to see or to know how to prepare it, how I can go to prepare it. Yeah, so let's take some. I take the olive, the leaf, so I'm going to remove it, and I started removing it. I'm going to remove and wash it. It's for my DIY head things. And this, okay, now after I finish removing my olive, the leaf that I removed from the olive trees, so this fresh one, actually I know there is no sun here. Here is Turkey, you know, I take this from Kuşadası, so, and the weather is not good for me to dry it, but I'm going to try because I still have like 10 days before leaving here. So I'm going to wash it, you see here, and this one. So I'm going to wash everything and try to put it outside and see. By the time when I'm going, if it's not dry, then I'll just going to pack it like that and go to my country and go back to Belgium. So now let's wash it. I'm going to wash it. So that's my olive. These things I'm going to use it for our hair grow. You know, we are doing DIY things about how to grow your hair, so these things is going to help me with olive leaf. I will use it, I can use it for like I can use it to make mask, and also I can use it to add inside my ingredients, add some of my ingredients to make maybe shea butter or infusing oil, or I can even use it to make cleanser for my hair. So I and my daughter, so we are taking this. I know if like there is a sun and I dry it, it will left small so that I can cut more again, but there's no sun, so to cut it too much, you know, even if I send it back to take it back my country also, you know, Belgium also is like that. The weather is not good. We are in summer, winter now, so if like we are in summer, that one would have been better, but we are in winter, there's no sun any place for me to dry this thing. Is Turkish people say in Kansas, this one is in Kansas, I cannot get it dry, so I'll wash it, but I will dry it. If it's not dry, I'll take it like that. When I get home, I will still try to see if I can dry it in my house. But let's start watching it. First, I'm coming. One, that is olive leaf. So yesterday I went and take some from the fresh leaf. I washed it last night, and today I let the water drop. I put it here. So this, I'm going to take it to Belgium for our DIYs. Actually, I still have like 10 days here and the weather is not good. So the only thing, I have to be doing it this way every day. By the time we are going, if it's not dry, even complete, but maybe it to just left small to dry, so that I'll take it home. That's olive leaf. I pack it from the olive tree, and you see how the leaf, maybe if you have never seen the olive leaf, look at how it is. So these things, I'm going to use it for hair DIY things. Definitely you guys will see the video when I'm going to use this. It's having a lot of benefit, a lot. For my doing my own research, this, I can't even wait to use this in my head or my daughter's head. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. 3 days today. This thing, when I wash and dry, is 3 days now. It's not look like there's no any changes, you know, because all have to dry this way. But there is no changes. This dry one, I got that one when I was packing this, and I saw the dry one and I removed it to wash that one also. So all have to dry this way, but there's no sun. 3 days up to now. Olive leaf, 3 days, it's not drying. There's no sun. Oh my God.